Let's see how fast this son of a bitch will go!
Tonight, folks, it's all about mud, trucks, and beer.
There's a party going on down at Yankee Lane. Fire 'em up and y'all listen to them engines ring. Girls are going crazy, gasoline and cold beer. Traveled all across the country just to get here. This is where only country boys can survive. It's a truck night. Everybody's getting down, getting good. Sick and tired of getting work. Work hard all week, now it's time to unwind. It's a truck night. I spend my paycheck getting that action fix. I broke the last one down in the mud pit. Old Chevy going up against an old Ford. Down on the tug pad, man, it's a truck of war.